Good morning. How amazing is the reflection of the sky on the lake this morning? This is a perfect metaphor for our lives. Everything in your world is a reflection of what's going on inside you. So every time I move my foot, you can think of this as a thought rippling out across the face of your world. This is why your awareness, your level of self-awareness is so important. If I'm just going on habitual tendencies, old habits, and just, kind of thrashing my way through life, you can see how this spreads out so quickly. Whereas if I'm very gentle and I'm very considerate, this has a totally different effect on the landscape of my world. If you don't know what you're habitually thinking and believing, you don't have the power to really create your life. This is why self-awareness is so important, and the good news is that it's available to anyone with just a little bit of practice. Have a beautiful day.